Hello everyone, welcome to the ninth tutorial in this series of Complete Guide to React.js. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain what is properties. In the last tutorial, we have seen what is state, what is the use of it, how we can manipulate the inputs that is provided in the state, and thereby how we can able to bring that in the front end. In the same manner, we will see like how to manipulate properties. So you can raise a question in your mind, what is the difference between state and properties? Properties are immutable objects, whereas state is a mutable object. So what do you mean by that? So when you say, if you're in a Java world, you will say the string is a immutable object. That means whatever the contents that is present in the string is not going to change, whereas you can change the reference of the string. So in practical, we'll see like how we manipulate properties, and I'll also explain how this is immutable as well. So I'll take the same code base that we had used in the last tutorial. I am going to delete this hard-coded value, and I am also going to remove this particular state. I am going to remove this button as well. So like state, this particular this variable has a property name called props dot say header. We will create this one, this dot props dot footer, and outside this class I'm going to create an app, and I'm going to use a default props, which is having a value as header colon. I am printing this message from header, and I'm going to put a colon, and I'm going to say footer. I am printing this message from footer. So you have two values, one is header and one is footer, and this header and footer you can also include some other name as well. It is not mandatory, and this is not going to give you any values because you have to include curly braces as mentioned in the previous tutorial. So if you want to validate or put the values of any contents, then you have to put it in this curly braces. And once you're clicking on save, let's see what happens over here. So it gives that I am printing this message from header, I am printing this message from footer. Okay, so in the state we add some method called this dot set state, and we have changed the values. In props, is it possible for me to do that? No, you can't able to do it. The reason is the property is immutable objects. So if you want to change the values, you can't change, and at that case you have to use state. And this particular header and footer which I have mentioned as a default props, you can also mention that in the index.html where it is getting rendered, where in main.js we will be mentioning some values like document.element id app. So in this app itself, like you can mention header and footer, and you can also render it. So The reason why I've written all this huge code is to show you guys like this header is some content that is not hard coded, whereas it is retrieved dynamically from some places outside this class. You can also create one class, and in that class you can mention any properties, and you have to create that class instance and you have to pass it over here. So which is quite bit confusing right now, but in the upcoming tutorial I'll explain you like how to pass the props and how to manipulate it and how to display in the front end. So far right now I have explained like what is properties and how to use that properties and how to show the contents that is present in the properties in the UI. Meet you in the next tutorial with respect to validating props and how I am going to pass the props value to the another class. Thank you and have a nice day.